Stop now, why are you scaring me? Obiago. Afoma, your daughter, the princess, from what has happened, is no longer qualified to lead Festival of Maidens of Omwebe Kingdom. Utia kind of festival agasa. What is going on in this community? What the maidens now think that they can attack the princess at will? No respect for royalty.
But we both know that our powers are limited when it comes to the maidens of Omwebe.
What makes you think that the princess will be able to function in any capacity at all after what has just happened? Much less be a part of the Festival of Maidens rituals. Father, come on! Or are you telling me personally that there is no maiden in this Omwebe who can replace the princess in the ritual?
It is my duty to love you back. How to achieve that is what I've been thinking.
She fell in love with a man that she fancies and she's been persecuted?
His uncle is against him. My father is also against him. I don't know what to do.
Which is why I'm going to find that young man and hunt him down and kill him.
What?
If he does not retrieve your senses from where he kept it, I am going to take his life.
It is either you return this woman to wherever you brought her from or forget this house.
That's the point. How can my brother marry a woman he met few days ago?
I don't care what my father thinks. As a matter of fact, he has no say when it concerns matters of my heart.
And I'm going to take the title, whether the gods of Umebe like it or not, whether the universe likes it or not.
Are you sure you will be alive to come home in one piece?
How are you sure that taking that title will not end your life? Where is your guarantee? We're still under the curse.
Why are you so stubborn?
And if you're still insisting or deciding to go ahead and take that title, I will do everything in my power to stop you.
The things out of me now are fear and cowardice. If anything, or any spirit being wants me dead, they might as well take their last strike.
Abib!